So what's up, gang? Sorry, I got the hiccups. Here. I'll turn that down so you can hear me. And early bird in 2 minutes. And this is Tuesday. Admin abuse in actually like an hour. So yeah. So yeah. Just wait. My thoughts and stuff, but I don't want. More minute. Please like and subscribe to claim your own. Like and subscribe to claim your own. Put it down below. And if you want to trade or do anything, I will accept it. Just tell me what you want to do. Yeah, I'll do it. Oh, early bird. Oh, tackle. Lucky block. Oh, I got a curse.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
Here's tackle block for you. Save you tackle brainrot.
Lucky block.
You will need up to the tackle base. Yo, look at his spawning.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
Oh my god, how much is he spawning?
Lucky block.
I swear if he spawns more, good. Yo, chat, should I keep him in the box for the taco base, or should I keep him closed? Because he said you'll need to do all. No super lucky block today. I'll spawn one for bird on surface. Well, yeah, that was really good. So yeah, see you later at 6 p.m. sharp. Bye.